So, our flight's cancelled tomorrow. There's a massive storm coming. So I've come out because you can't keep me trapped in a room. So I'm just having a little wander around Times Square before the snow gets too bad. It's sleet at the minute, so it's not full on snow, but I'm sure you can see the sky, how it is. So yeah, we'll keep you updated on our travels, but you know what? As long as everything's organised, there is no worse place to be stranded, really, is there? Okay, ciao for now. So the snow's coming down now. It's getting a bit heavier. So we are stranded in New York. Woohoo! Don't tell Duncan, I'm really excited. I'm really pleased. But I'm sure we'll get everything sorted. So here we are in a very snowy Times Square. It's great. I mean, we were here at 2 o'clock this morning when there was not a soul.
That's insane. Oh, how cold is it? It is that cold that this has stopped working properly and my phone has stopped working.
Everything's stopped working.
Right. How cold is it?
Very.
I mean, like, seriously, can we walk a little bit faster? Oh my fucking days.
Everyone's just out and about, no one cares. It's not as bad as everybody said. I mean, it's settled, but it's pretty safe here in the city. So I'm just gonna go for a little walk. I don't know where. Can't say it'll be very exciting, but I'm just gonna have a little snowy adventure because it is, to be honest, living in Spain, it is years since I've played in the snow. So I am going to just wander around, and if I find anything interesting to show you along the way, I will. And that's it. I'm just going to enjoy walking through the city without all the hustle and bustle. There's not as many people, there's not as much traffic. There is traffic, even though there was a travel ban. But I'm going to enjoy it and just see where life takes me. So I'm here at Bryant Park. Can you see that? You've got to be so careful because there's literally big pieces of ice jumping off the top of buildings. Oh, I just got can you see? They're like flying everywhere. It's crazy. But it's not stopped people from coming out because it is magical to see the city like this. And yeah, I'm just enjoying walking around in my bin bag. He laughed. Look at me now. I'm warm. I was organised. Oh, I better not stand there. Looks like I'm going to get some snow on my head. I was very organised. That's one Laura's tip. Fun tip. I made sure I had lots of cold weather clothes, even though it did say it was going to be a little bit warmer while we were here. So thermals. Nice. Oh God. Also, medication. Enough medication. An extra week's worth of medication. I just thought about it, so I was prepared for all eventualities, and especially with the coat that everyone's laughing at. I'm warm. It's perfect. It's waterproof. Available in Zara. Honestly though, walking around, you are fearing for your life with the flying ice. It says beware, flying ice. I'm now in Bryant Park, which is gorgeous. And someone's made a snowman. Is it Duncan? Is Duncan inside there? Duncan! It is lovely. I mean, everything is closed. There's like a little market on, and there's the ice skating. But yeah, it's lovely. So I'm just gonna have a wander around, maybe throw a snowball at someone. Yeah, I'm just happy wandering. That's what I mean. I said it in other videos as well. What does this cost? Nothing. We've been, we've got to stay another 3 days, which everything's been super organised by Duncan and by Iberia. But it is an extra 3 days, which is, massive. Financially, it's crazy, but this is free. So there are lots of things to do. Today it's a bit of an ass to walk up to Central Park, but I will be walking up to do part 2 of the original film in Central Park, which will be nice in the snow. But today I'm just gonna wander around here and look at the gorgeous snow and gorgeous trees. So I've walked now, covered in snow, to the New York Public Library, which is beautiful. Apparently it used to be a department store, which is quite strange. So no handbags anymore, just books. I love books as much as handbags and shoes. It's quite an interesting building, really. It's snowing, as you know, but I was going to go in the library, but it bloody closed. And I love a good book. And the marble lions, poor little lions, are covered in snow. They apparently stand for patience and fortitude. Duncan has no patience. So he's not a lion. But they just sort of, his eyes are closed, so they can't judge me today. The lions wandering around in a blizzard in New York. But inside, I did look it up before, and it's books, 8 floors of books. There's a kids department, there's a rooftop terrace. Yeah, I'm sure it'd be lovely to visit. So what I might do is try and pop back, because it is a beautiful, beautiful building. So I've stumbled upon Grand Central Terminal again, although it does look a lot different in the snow. So I might just pop in to get warm, because I've been walking for quite a while now. But yeah, it is a beautiful station. So I've come in to Grand Central Station again, but in a different entrance. So I thought we'd take a look as I walk in. It's a pretty special place. Like I keep saying, all this is free. So, you don't have to be booking in on things or spending lots of money. Just wandering, thinking. I always talk about that, don't I? Yeah, it's just everybody's sort of coming for shelter. But, no, it's lovely. And the ceiling is all the gods, the Greek gods. Beautiful. So this is a very snowy Fifth Avenue. Nothing is open today. They closed early yesterday and they never reopened, which I don't blame them. And there's a lovely Saks Fifth Avenue. You've got all the big names. I'm down by the Rockefeller Centre now, actually. As I said, like, all the shops are closed. It's quite difficult to wander about, get across the roads, because there's like loads of snow, and then you put your foot down and you step into a big puddle. But I've never been a big fan of Uggs, but I did buy myself a couple of pairs just in case, and do you know what, they have come in handy. And they're waterproof, so I've stepped in a few puddles. My feet are still cosy and warm. Bigging up the Uggs. I don't think I'll be wearing them in Spain, but I'll keep them in the cupboard in case we come back to a snowy New York or Chicago. But yeah, here is Saks Fifth Avenue, which I suppose I'm going to have to pop back to tomorrow. It's just lovely walking down here because normally it's so busy, and you know, it's well worth coming to use Fifth Avenue. But today of all days, it's just peaceful to wander around. And then of course you've got the church, my favourite place. In fact, I am sure that will be open. So that's another church I can take you to visit for anyone that loves churches. I could do another series, couldn't I? Laura's Guide to Churches throughout the world. It would be interesting for me, maybe not for you, but it would be for me. So what I'm going to do, oh look at that. I'm going to head across the road away from the snow tractor man, and if it's open, I'm going to head inside to the church and see what it's all about. So I didn't navigate the steps. I let somebody else do it, and it's closed, which is quite strange. I thought churches were all sort of a sanctuary and always open, but turns out it's closed. So I'm just going to carry on up Fifth Avenue on my travels and see if there's anything exciting to show you. I'm sure this video is not going to be very exciting. Duncan will probably not even let me post it, but I could just post it as Laura's Ramblings on Fifth Avenue. But I am definitely going to stop for a drink soon. Find somewhere. It's just everywhere I've looked into, there's been like no people. So I'd rather just carry on wandering. I do like a bit of atmosphere. But yeah, I'm going to carry on up Fifth Avenue. I just had to point out, I'm now walking past Victoria's Secrets. Sure the male viewers will love it. But I just wanted to point out how lovely the models are. Normal bodies. Positive body image. So that's one for the ladies, we are what we are, and also one for the dirty old men that are probably following from Duncan's cop talk. He's gonna kill me for that. Just off Fifth Avenue, I found a little place, a splendid New York City winter warmers. Ooh. A nice Irish coffee or a New York apple cider. Oh, Duncan would love that. Might have to bring him tomorrow to warm him up, get him out of the room. Stop him working as much as he does. hot buttered rum. Or a nice hot toddy. Oh, that's medicinal, isn't it? So maybe I'll have that. That's how I can get away with it. A nice medicinal hot toddy. Oh, it's cute. It's a lovely place. So the city is waking up after the storm. The roads are clearing. Oh, it's supposed to be. Things seem to be going back to normal. The guy was laughing. He just laughed at me. Oh. I thought it was funny that he just sprayed snow at me. As I was saying, the city seems to be waking up again, going back to normal. Apparently tomorrow it's going to be lovely and sunny, which means the snow will still be everywhere, and I can have a little explore again, but with some sun. It's cold but sunny. Do you know what? The weather's just beautiful. Even like this, it's cold but fresh. Yeah, I feel alive. In Spain. It's a lot warmer in Spain. Thanks. Everybody excited over a fire engine and a fireman. So that's it, my little walk today. I'm going to get a tea, chamomile, or maybe just a normal one, some chocolate, and I'm going to go and see Jim.